VTS Batangas. This is MV Vergandi. Call sign 3FED3. Over.
Motor Vessel Burgundy. This is Batangas BTS. Please provide your ETA and relevant details. Over.
BTS Batangas. This is MV Vergandi. My ETA is 0800H30OCT2023. My drop is 12.3 meters. I have 3-4 persons on board. My gross tonnage is 23210 metric tons. We are carrying iron ore. Total cargo on board 12304 metric tons. Dangerous cargo includes 25 liters of IMDG class 3. Over.
Motor Vessel Burgundy. Acknowledge. Please change to channel 12 for further instructions. Over.
Copy that. VTS Batangas switching to channel 12. This is MV Vergandi out.
Motor Vessel Burgundy. Confirm your current position and request permission to enter Batangas Port. Over.
VTS Batangas, MV Vergandi is currently at position 13 degrees 24.5 minutes north, 121 degrees 01.2 minutes east. Requesting permission to enter Batangas Port. Over.
Motor Vessel Burgundy. Permission granted to enter Batangas Port. Proceed to berth 5. Maintain a listening watch on channel 12. Confirm your understanding. Over.
Permission granted to enter Batangas Port. Proceeding to berth 5 and maintaining watch on channel 12. This is MV